Hi all, welcome back to another session on webmethods.io. So in this session, I wanted to show how we can do deployments from one IO tenant to the other IO tenant using promotions management. So let's see how that can be done. So this is one of my environment where I have these APIs, and the same I have one more environment, one more tenant. So where I have these APIs here. So now what I wanted to do is I wanted to promote this API along with the application to be deployed into this tenant. So in order to do that, just go to this profile icon, go to promotion management, add a stage here. I'll just say it as QA, technical information. Just copy this URL and paste it here. Give your username and password. And first test it. Yeah, the test is successful. Now what you need to do is save. So a stage will be created called QA. And in the same way, you can add multiple stages here. And in the promotions, just click on this promote option. And I wanted to promote the API, and I wanted to promote this demo API, and I want to click next. So when you do that, the dependencies also will be coming out in the assets and deployment. So it says that the pet store API is dependent on demo app. So I'll just take this app and then click on next. Here I need to select in which environment I wanted to deploy. Just click select next and give it a name. Pet store or anything you can give here and select the application. I mean, whatever things you need, I just wanted to leave it default and then click on promote. So if you see here, right now there is no API. And when I click on promote, so it says the API is deployed and you get the comments as okay and all. So now if I go back and check my API gateway, the second tenant of API gateway, and refresh it. See, I've got the API deployed in the new environment, and I can even see that it is associated with the application, and even the application got deployed now. So now what I wanted to do is I'll just go here and just take this. So get method slash bit slash status. Status is available. Authorization body. Give it as the API key here. And give the API key of the application. So it says this. And send. Now the API got executed and we are getting the 200, and along with that you are getting the output also. Like if I wanted to corrupt it, it will throw me 401 unauthorized or some error. Yeah. So it is working fine. Now if I go back to my previous tenant, go to my API and just change the and send. So it is also working fine. But if you notice, since we deployed the application along with that, it has taken the same API key from the dev environment to the QA. So, but if you wanted to have two different API keys, right? So if you wanted to have to separate the API keys, just click on regenerate and click yes. It will generate a new key. So now if I go back and click on send, it should throw me an error. It is 401 unauthorized. Now, if I give this new key, it works fine. So this is how you generate new keys for your new environment and deploy it from one environment to other. And let's say you don't want this deployment to be there in the new API need not be there here, and you wanted to delete that. So just go to rollback and click on, sorry, yeah, click on rollback and click on rollback, and this will get rollback. Actually, it should display me the option that it is going to rollback. But let me just check again. Promotion management. Rollback. See, and rollback. So if I now roll back, it gives me a message that it is rolled back successfully, and even the API gets deleted from the environment which it got deployed. So the test environment is deployed. I mean, the API is deleted from that, and if I now send it, it should show me as 404 not found. So this is how you deploy from one environment to other environment, and then you can do a rollback on the target environment. Thank you.